So guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. One thing I remember, Instagram posting a video. Lot of question. So I can uploading Instagram videos. I'm unable to post a video on a desktop. How it is possible for desktop option? Desktop is very easy to upload video also. That is called your Instagram will be connecting for your Facebook page. Facebook profile is different. Facebook page is different. You can creating the Facebook business page or you can fan page also. Facebook business will be a lot of options are there. Fan page and business page. Go to settings. Here Instagram is there. You can connect by Instagram your Facebook page option. Once you connect, these two account will be linked on the particular Instagram. The link option name is called Facebook Creator Studio option. Here Instagram account login after connecting Instagram to Facebook page. Simple. Select Instagram post after connecting. So when you're selecting here, what are the social media content I'm selecting here? Post it. When it is possible, sharing Instagram, Facebook, when upload the video or image. So now I'm upload the video option. Video as usual. The video will be less than 1 minute, nothing but 59 seconds. That is a keyword on mine here. Here. Uploading here. So this is the video will be done. Click for publish. Once published this time, you get the one notification option. What is the notification is called? Here, add detail or publish as is. You click option name is called publish as is. The post was published by Facebook and Instagram also. Less than 1 minute, the post will publish for Instagram and Facebook. They give the tick mark option. Don't forget, publish is as you can click the option. It will be posting for Instagram and Facebook also. These are the pattern will be follow to upload the video at a time Instagram and Facebook. When will be connecting possible for the Facebook business page to Instagram option. After that, Instagram account, here will be add your account and start the posting will be here. What are the content you post? Everything visible by here option. So this compulsory editing will be post Instagram, Facebook. The one and only option is called Facebook Creator Studio. Previous Facebook business page also there. The option will be converted into the also Facebook Creator Studio. So in interview question, can you able to post video or image into the Instagram and Facebook at a time? As it is possible, when we will be connecting one Facebook page to one Instagram account, will be post the content through Facebook Creator Studio after linking page to Instagram account. So any further question, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.